Before I found Toronto Film School, my life felt pretty stagnant. I had graduated from university with a degree in history and political science, but I had no idea what I wanted to do with it. So I settled for a full-time job at a thrift store because it was stable. But it didn't make me happy. About a year after graduating, I had this sudden urge to sign up for acting lessons at a local theater in Hamilton. And from that moment, I was hooked. It was the teachers I had there that actually suggested that I follow this new passion of acting and go to school for it. Already having a degree, I was dreading the thought of spending another 4 years in school. So I definitely was hesitant about following through with it. That is, until I found Toronto Film School. Stage, TV, and film acting. The program sounded like everything I wanted, so I applied immediately. I was actually at work when I got the call that I'd been accepted. I ran to the back room yelling, I got in, and handed them my resignation. My time at TFS changed me. It was the first time in my life that I ever put any real effort into school, and I loved every day of it. Seeing other students succeed in getting roles and getting agents and getting work was the biggest motivation for me to work hard, and I did. The opportunities I've had because of this school were truly life-changing. I was asked to perform at Toronto Film School's inaugural Prologue event at the TIFF Lightbox Theatre in front of hundreds of people. I spent months working on a screenplay with an incredible team that got greenlit, and now I'm getting ready to send that film off to film festivals. After I graduated, TFS hired me back to stage manage the 5th term play. Now I'm meeting with colleagues weekly to shoot scenes and monologues for our reels to send off to agents. We're hungry for what's to come, but it all started here at this school. I wouldn't be the person I am right now without it.